Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change YouTube username on mobile. So let's get started. It's very easy to change YouTube username on iOS or Android device. First open YouTube app on your device. Now tap on profile icon located at the top right side. Now tap on your channel option. Tap on pencil icon for editing. Here you will see your YouTube channel name and YouTube channel handle. So in order to change your YouTube username, basically you need to change your YouTube channel handle name. Now tap on pencil icon next to the handle. On the next screen, you can change YouTube handle name. Note that this handle name or username is visible to all the users and you can revert back to your channel handle name within 14 days. Once you change this handle name, your YouTube channel URL will also get changed. Also, you can change handle name twice every 14 days. Now change the handle name as per your needs, but make sure that this name is unique on YouTube. Once you change the handle name, tap on save button at the top and your YouTube username will be updated. So that is how you can change YouTube username on mobile. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.